Wow.
So this is the second day of our abandoned house trip, and we found a way cooler house than this.
You think this is way cooler?
Definitely. It's not as broken down.
It's like a rope something here.
The barbed wire thing.
Is it? Just crawl under it.
Okay.
I guess, at least. Oh, wow, there's a back to this house. Just watch out for nails, like there and stuff. I'm like sketched out to walk through this. Oh, cool. Well, this is about all that's left of it. Oh, wait, there's an upstairs.
Yeah, this house is way nicer.
No, this looks about like what you went to, I feel like.
It smells like pee in here.
Does it?
Yeah. But at least they have a living room.
It does smell like pee.
Yeah.
Now that I'm using my sniffer. Oh, there's a bunch of poop up here, too.
Yeah, there's poop down here.
Is there anything up there?
Not really. Kind of just looks like how this looks down here. Yeah, don't... Oh, cool. I like this a lot. Still toilet paper, it's just shredded. A sink full of poop? I wonder why, like, people just, like, leave it. Like, they had, like, a bed. It was a nice place to live.
I'm sure a homeless person would love this.
Well, yeah, I mean, I guess.
But there would be no grocery stores to go to.
Oh, this is nice, actually. Like, no joke. Like, this looks like a nice area.
Like the windows, they're so big. No, I can't close it.
Uh-oh, you're gonna let all the air out.
Is that bad?
No, I'm kidding.
You're good. We passed the test.
First fridge has passed the test.
What do you have to say about this?
Hopefully we'll find some goodies in the next fridge we go to.
Ew, I hope not.
I hope so, I'm hungry.
Oh,
Hope we find some spam.
ooh, yum. Oh,
So
that's why I got poopy in it too. Oh my god. It's literally like, did somebody put the poop in there? Or like, did something poop in there?
Well, why would they poop in the sink so much?
I don't know.
It's like a toilet. Closest thing to a toilet.
Designated pooper again. But yeah, I don't know why there's so many newspapers on the ground.
I know, they usually have newspapers, like abandoned houses, for some reason.
There's gotta be like a
So
conspiracy theory.
It's been like abandoned for a long time because nobody reads newspapers anymore. So. Whoa, fuck me, holy shit.
Hey, don't do that. Don't do that in my poop.
So many little bedrooms. This is the biggest camper I've ever seen.
That's cool. So I think that's all there is to this place.
What about the front door?
What do you mean?
There's a front door.
Front door? Isn't that, that's this house, right? Like, that's where it leads to. Yeah, we were just in here.
Oh. There's a door in there?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, I'm not gonna go there.
Alright, so that's that.
Have you ever been to this one?
No. Holy fuck. That's sick.
We were watching your videos.
Oh,
we
wait.
really want to go.
You watched my videos?
Like the old ones.
Oh, the old
Will was
ones.
in them. I think I was in one of them.
You were in a few at least. Yeah, that was a good time. I used to hang out with your brother and Logan a lot.